guys, it's this, and today we're gonna be teaching you a new game. Okay. Yep. You have to do it. I can do it better than him, okay? So, yeah. Okay, but that's it. I got some kind of cream. Some of y'all might know what this is. It's cream. It's a good type of moisturizer to get pimples away. I basically put mine on in the morning. Y'all can put it on the morning or afternoon, or only at the afternoon. I just doing some Katie. Can I see your thing? Let's see. Can I see him up there? Look at it. So you go to the sequence and say love 1 X X laugh mine and seriously. Hayden wants to say something and play some notes. Go get it, get it. No, I'm actually gonna post this. Love you guys and Tatum. Just say he loves you. I love you. Love you guys. Bye. Hype this video, give this video a thumbs up, guys. Heart, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to call it. And tell everyone in my music page. Thank you. Thanks so much. Bye. And the other lady. Bye. Kidding. Bye, guys. No. Now, guys.